Hello and welcome back to the Home Improvements channel.
You got breath.
Why are you saying bad things like that?
Just a joke.
It's not nice, is it?
Don't speak there though.
Yeah.
Oh, bad scene.
Hello and welcome back to the Home Improvements channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be restoring
Get off.
a bench. So basically we're going to be like the Antiques Roadshow.
Yeah.
Right, this is an old cast leg bench. First thing we're going to do on it is take this supporting strap off the middle and the two supporting legs on the bottom. We're going to take the screws out as best we can. A lot of the fixings on the wood here we're going to have to grind off because they're all gone and stuck. So we'll strip it all down. We're going to cut ourselves some new wood, which we'll go over there, we'll show you. And we're going to replace all the slats, stain it up, give it a clean, and it's going to look beautiful. What's happened? Tell them that it was disassembled.
We disassembled now the old bench. It uses two arms, and obviously you're supporting there, and all the wood. All the wood fixings are down, and replacing them. And we've still got the middle base here. We'll give that a clean.
Yeah. Before we throw all these, obviously we're going to quickly give a measurement of these on the length.
We're
just going to transfer it onto our new timber, which is over there, and we'll bring you along with us.
Right, we've measured our existing wood. And the measurement is 1070 millimetres. And then we've cut 12 of them, the amount that was on the existing one. Let's get going. Here's our here's our wood cut size. We have had to trim them because Brad, that's why you see that tall a minute ago, because Brad didn't get the right wood size.
Sorry!
By an accident. It's alright though. Yeah, everyone makes mistakes. Alright? Right, anyways, we're going to crack on with this. Start putting it all back together and making it look lovely jubbly.
Cheers, Jack. Right, now we've got all our... Oh, let me get round. Jack. Right, now we've got all our slats recut and cut down because Brad didn't pick up the wrong bits, did you, Brad?
No.
Touch that pencil, Jack.
That's on my chest.
All we've got to do now is as simple as this. We're going to mark our centre marks on all the slats, both sides. Pre-drill them, because now we're going to be putting some new coach bolts in them. And then we'll go over and tidy the sides up and reassemble it, and it's going to look bloody delicious. Right, that's all the marks. All we're going to do now is pre-drill them with a 6mm drill bit, ready for the coach bolts, and start putting it back together after we clean up the sides.
I've got
Just an old sand.
just an old piece of sandpaper here. We're just going to give it a light sand.
Taking in loose paint.
So yeah, it flakes off and give it, so this paint sticks as well. All right, let's get on with that. I didn't say it's raining now. It is raining.
At this stage, we've got ourselves some no-nonsense matte black from Screwfix. It'll show them the can. It looks like Tesco's value range.
What just landed on my head?
Nothing for you. You've got bare
Told
crumbs.
you.
I just heard. Swear down.
You're going crazy.
I told
Stop
you,
dusting
man,
all the
it's gonna
sawdust.
rain.
So show them the can.
Boom!
Only the best for our restoration projects. Go.
Oh yeah, Zan.
Jack at this moment in time is sanding the wood very professionally. Well done.
Right, now we're reassembling it. Now we've cut all the pieces and sprayed all the black on the metal. We're just reassembling it now. It's going to look excellent. Cheers.
Bit different from the home improvements channel.
Not
Dixon,
different.
Dixon real deal, eat your heart out. We'll see you. We've restored an old bench.
From the 80s.
We've brought another 100 years.
It's at least got another 3 to 4 months. Whoa.
Nah, but it's come out well.
It needs a bit more work, but we're running out of time. So it needs another few coats of stain and then we'll be gone.
Jack, where's Jack gone?
That's decent.
Really,
I was looking in the camera, that's decent. But in real life. No, I'm joking.
But
Wait,
it's
look at
worth
this. Look at this. Remember when we first sat on it? But get that side and wibbly on it.
It is actually, look,
Solid.
solid as much.
Solid.
So,
Get on with it, go on, that's it. See you
Oh.
later,
so if you're enjoying our videos, hit the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell for regular videos from us. Until the next one, we'll see you again.
Say again.
See you again.